Hello, everyone. My name is Alfonso Quijano, and today I'm representing LeanTech, a provider of highly efficient, dedicated development teams focused on the logistics industry. Now, you might remember me from the previous FreightWaves presentation in which I talked about workforce analytics for lean staffing solutions. And since then, we have grown incredibly and have focused one of our divisions entirely on tech. Now, the logistics industry is one that is craving disruption through technology, with automation being at the forefront of it all. And at LeanTech, we want to be the enablers of this transformation by facilitating the way that you get technology into your business. To that end, today, I'll be presenting a state-of-the-art solution for creating, accelerating, and properly maintaining your software development projects through LeanTech's proprietary AI engine. Additionally, I'll be presenting a designer to automatically create active, connected portals to your favorite logistics tools in a matter of minutes. So let's get started. LeanTech is all about providing efficiency, speed, and quality without compromising one or the other. But to actually achieve that, we had to reinvent the whole way that we approach development projects from their creation. Enter our project creation wizard, a smart tutorial that provides insights on how to properly estimate projects based on cost, budget, and execution strategy. So I'm aware you probably know that the typical project proposal could take anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks, even more, to get completed and actually handed over to the customer. But what if I could tell you that I could get that to you in a matter of minutes? Let's take a simple example. I want to create a customer-facing portal that's connected to my existing TMS solution. Our smart tutorial uses natural language processing to quickly determine the nature of a project proposal coming from a spec sheet or an RFP document. And we then enhance the development description through our smart suggestion AI. I am then walked through a series of questions 100% tailored to my initial response, covering major integrations and special features. And at the end of this quick process, I'm received with an overall scope of the items, timeline, development resources, and budget associated to getting my development project off the ground in a matter of seconds. But an idea is only as good as the plan put forth for its execution, which is why after providing the tools to lay this initial foundation, we wanted to make sure we provided our customers with a clear path towards reviewing and executing your development projects with us. Our AI engine comes to life in our application through an avatar representation of myself that walks customers through the major milestones associated to the development of their projects, including actionable insights that make your project go smoother, better, and quicker. But at the end, it's all about conveying information, and the purpose of this dashboard, of this calendar on the dashboard, is just that, to give you an instant glimpse of what's going on in your application at all moments. Flipping through major milestones like, for example, a full feature, giving you information about the team involved in its execution, the current status, and smart actions like, for example, congratulating the team that was on it for a job well done. But we've narrowed down that even further and given you a color-coded system through a timeline that provides the data associated to your project from its inception all the way to its current state in a hoverable fashion. Moving over to the project section where each individual project actually comes to life, we actually thought that this was a platform that was made for our customers. So whether tech savvy or not, we wanted to give you the tools to go over the most important metrics associated to reviewing your projects, like, for example, the last activity points associated to it, the very nature of your project, which is whether your developers are working hard to fix, further augment, or maintain your development projects, and your overall success status. All this information right at your fingertips. If you want to explore that information even further, you can look at the task percentage of task completion over time and associate that to your members' performance and get some value metrics out of there. But as we move on to the most exciting part of this presentation, I did want to point out that our origins are in logistics. And I didn't want to miss the opportunity to tell you guys how it is that we're going to jumpstart your businesses into your next stage of your, obviously by now, technology-related future. And that is our project designer. Developing proprietary technology does sound like a lot of fun, but it can actually be really tricky. It can involve a lot of months of development, and sometimes the results don't come out exactly the way you want it to. So this is LeanTech's first approach to how anyone can create fully tailored portals connected to their favorite logistics tools in a matter of minutes. Start out by laying the look and feel of the application, or even more, let the AI engine do it for you in the click of a button. And then start by flipping through major integrations, like, for example, integrations to major TMSs and other tools associated to that open up a whole new world of possibilities for creating dashboards, full-blown LTL modules connected to major integrations for LTL, truckload, and more, as well as simple add-ons like notifications and authentications. Automation and bots are a big word thrown out there, and we wanted to make sure to include that in our presentation and in our platform by allowing you to get control over the workflow that you want to add to your newly created portal, editing each step as you go. After that, choose the infrastructure when you want to deploy your application, and in a matter of minutes, you'll have a full-blown application that you can have instant access to and deploy in one of your business processes. So, before wrapping up, I wanted to take a moment to talk about the most important points discussed in this presentation, which is, at LeanTech, we're revolutionizing the way that you can improve the sales process for technology-related products. We're revolutionizing the way that you create and further maintain development projects. And we're also revolutionizing the way that you can further augment these projects at a later time while keeping control intact, quality and control intact. So if you have any questions, I hope you like this presentation, and we're LeanTech and hope to see you all at our booth for any further questions you may have. And thank you for your attention.